Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Bhagyashree. I am 86. My school name is British School Vaikar Vasti.
Good, Bhagyashree. Next.
I live in my Babalgaon.
Good.
In my family,
We are.
we are
Which members?
6 members.
Good.
My father's name is Baba Saheb. He is a farmer.
He is a farmer. Okay.
My mother's name is Rani. She is a homemaker. My sister's name is Komalashwara. My brother's name is Gaurav. I have a book and pen. I have a cat.
Okay. Do you like mango?
Yes.
Okay. And which color do you like?
Pink.
Okay. Thank you, Bhagyashree. Very nice introduction yourself. Next student. Start, Tanmay.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanmay. My full name is Jatin Vaikar Vasti. My father's name is Ashok. My mother's name is Yuba. I have a sister. I have a book. I have pen. I have mango. I have apple. I have
Which fruit do you like? Which fruit do you like? Apple.
yes,
Okay. And which color do you like, Tanmay? Which color do you like?
red,
Red color. Okay. What is your sister's name?
Vedika,
And what is your mother's name?
Simba,
Loudly. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Sulbha. Say with me, my mother's name is.
Simba,
Okay. What is your father's name, beta? What is your father's name?
Ashok.
Very good. And what is your grandfather's name?
Grandfather's name is Jaindat.
Okay, good. Do you have a brother? Yes or no? No. Okay. Thank you. भाग्यश्री आणि तन्मयसाठी जोरात टाळ्या जरा सगळ्यांनी. क्लॅप क्लॅप क्लॅप्स. ओके, गुड.